So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view places with a spa here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, either go to home in the bottom left or press on search, doesn't really matter. Then press on stays in the top left. So once you're on stays here, you can select a location for this demonstration. I will just select New York City. I will then go ahead and press on search right here. Now once that is done, in order to find places that have a spa, simply just go to the filters icon right here, sort of located in the top left right beside popular, press on this. Then where it says recommended, just keep scrolling down, all the way down, all the way down until you come across amenities right here. Then if you keep going to where it says spa, you can press on spa right there, then press on done. Now what it'll be showing you guys right now is listings that have a spa here on Expedia. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view places with a spa here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.